Yes, hello guys, no, and let's visit our pets, no, our lovebirds and other kind of birds here, no. So this is our stress reliever when we are stayed here at home. So you can see them, they are making their nest, no, because they are starting having their eggs, no. So this is it, guys. This is my lovebird, no, and this is my cockatiel, no. They are only one pair, no, and this is my African birds. So all you can see here, guys, are our stress reliever, no. When I stayed here, no, watching them singing. Noises, no, the voice noises are always here every day, no. So yan, makikita nyo how good they are, no. Ayan, so mababait yung mga yan, guys, no. And yun nga, minsan lalo na ito, this is my favorite my favorite. Ayan, so very cute, no. Ang cute nila. So pag dito ka lang magtambay, malilibang ka, guys.